What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, another week is in the books, which means we had another chance to get in our bag and do what we do. Listen, I got a jam-packed video for you guys to prepare you for the final week of the year. So class will be in session. Watch this video all the way through and take some notes for me. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Before we do that, though, please make sure you help like and subscribe and help this video get at least 1,000 likes. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, I got the 2-minute chart pulled up for teaching purposes. We jumping right in our bag on today, and so I want you to follow this as I teach you guys the lesson. Okay, the 13, this purple line, guys, crossed over the blue line. That is called the 1348 crossover. Okay, this probability is so high it makes no sense, guys. Okay, that crossed over today around 2 o'clock, and boy, did the market pull a rug pull on everybody. Okay, but with that being said, let's go ahead and let you guys see. Look at this bear flag. I want you guys to know bear flag equals down. Okay, equals that the market's gonna come down. We had one there, we had another one here, we had another one here that led to that move down. But zoom in right here, guys. Do you see those 2 wicks? Okay, remember I taught you the lesson. Anytime you have 2 wicks coming out, that equals reversal. Okay, that's how you know when the stock is going to go in the opposite direction. Okay, and if they're at the top, it's going to come down. All right, 2 wicks to the bottom means the stock is going to shoot up. Look at what happened after the 2 wicks came, guys. Boom, boom, oh, nothing but boom, boom candles. But look at the 13. Came right on up, and guys, we got right on up to this level before making a double top and then ending the day right around here. Listen, guys, I can't stress it enough. The money is in the charts. The charts are trying to communicate to you it's nothing more than intel and information. Okay, the more you embrace these concepts, and although today's lesson is on a 2-minute time frame, guys, this information is found on a 5-minute, the 15-minute, the 1 hour. You guys can master this game by seeing these setups, because as I often tell you, they bring them back time and time again. What they show you on Monday, they might bring it back on Friday. What they show you on Tuesday, they might bring it back on Thursday. And so as you begin to master the charts, manage your risks, trade with a plan, guys, there will be no way they can stop you as we dominate 2024 together. So listen, guys, we will continue to improve each and every day. Progress is all I'm looking for, okay? But on top of that, be ready to put the smack down on the market for this upcoming year, because we don't guess around here. We don't gamble. We take what we see in the chart. Why? Because the money is in the chart, okay? And if you understand that concept, if you understand that everything you guys want to accomplish in life, lead a corporate plantation, retire early, retire young, pay off your debt, whatever it is found in learning and mastering the chart, and then learning yourself, mastering yourself, and then continue to make progress on the journey. Okay, so guys, don't worry. We're going to keep showing up every day. We're going to keep teaching every day, and we're going to keep making sure those that desire to learn, because I tell you every day, this information that I teach around here can change your life. I've already done it for hundreds of thousands. I plan to do it for many more people this upcoming year. Without further ado, let's hop into the top 8 stocks for next year. Okay, guys, as we embark on a new year, I want to share with you some of the top stocks that I'll have on my radar, I'll have on my watch list. You feel free to add what you like and do away with what you don't, okay? This is not financial advice. This is simply what your boy has his eye on, and how I will make my money and plays I will make it with in 2024, okay? Without further ado, we're kicking it off with Google, ticker symbol GOOGL, sitting at 141.34. Guys, this one has been on a tear this year, up over 50%. I see this continuing to go up even more in 2024. I have a $150 price target on this one. And so again, guys, I'm expecting great things and still more momentum to the upside, okay? Check this out. The next one is CrowdStrike, ticker symbol CRWD. This one is currently sitting at 255.27. Guys, I am of the belief that with the emergence of AI and all this new AI software and these new AI capabilities, we are going to need more and more defense around those things, okay? We're going to need more and more protection and ways to make sure we're protected and not getting gamed and scammed and hoodwinked and the whole nine, okay? And I think CrowdStrike will be one of the companies that will emerge. And on top of, they're already doing their thing, but guys, they'll be more relevant and prevalent due to the emergence of AI and how we need to make sure we have some safeguards on our information, on everything. And so keep an eye out on CrowdStrike for this year. Let's see how they did for this particular up last year, up 137%. Don't get it twisted. I can see this one still making moves higher into next year, guys. But understand this, all of these stocks that are up must pull back. So this is not a recommendation for you to go out and buy, especially at all-time highs. I want them on your watch list, and if they come down 20%, let that be your cue to get in, okay? Do not rush in and dive into these head first at these all-time high levels, because you're just setting yourself up to lose your money. All right, with that being said, check this one out. Meta, ticker symbol META, sitting at 352.95. This one again had a phenomenal year. I see them continuing to do their thing into next year. Look at this one, up almost a straight line, it looked like, especially after being down in the dumps the way they were beat down in 2022. What a rebound year it was, up nearly 200%, and only going to get better in the coming years, okay? Also with this one, look for a pullback before you try to enter something like this, if this is something of interest to you. All right, now check this one out. Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN, sitting at 153.20 at the time of this recording. This one also I have high hopes for in this upcoming year. Guys, I often tell you, you gotta check your wives, man. They are ordering a whole bunch of Amazon. You got the Amazon dude coming up, dropping boxes off. You got to put that ring on. You guys got to make sure you watching and what's going on, because before you know it, you'll be seeing an Amazon guy coming over for dinner, and you'll be like, man, what's going on? Amazon is, again, very, very consistent in all neighborhoods around America. And so guys, again, you only got to think about AWS, the online business, the seeing you show up physically at your house every day or at your neighbor's house if they're not at your house, okay? So get that credit card, man, because we got to get our spending under control, because Amazon been coming over too much. But from an investor standpoint, make sure this one is on your watch list or in your portfolio, okay? Tesla, guys, ticker symbol TSLA, sitting at 252. This one, again, we got this at $100 this year, and then started this year, took this one up to all kind of highs, okay? This one is up 113% on the year. At the high of the year was around $300. Looking forward to recapture that level once we get through this period that we're going through. And so guys, again, like with all these I've presented so far, please let them pull back before you consider jumping in. And guys, as it relates to your DD, your due diligence, make sure you do the work of looking at the company's fundamentals. You're looking at their balance sheet. You're looking at who's on the board, all the necessary things you want to know if you plan on holding this long term, okay? That work is up to you. I just want to present you the top 8 that's on my list, okay? AMD is on this list as well. Ticker symbol AMD, sitting at 139. They're up over 100% on this year as well. Again, stocks has been rocking and rolling, guys. Around here, we have absolutely crushed it. I plan on doing the same thing for this upcoming year. It don't matter what the stock is. It's about understanding how to invest and how to trade, okay? Just want to put another one on your list. Check this one out. Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. This one is sitting at $17. $20 remains the price target until we officially clear that level and don't look back. Okay, right now this one is up over 150%. We've been in this since $8. Again, 20 is the price target on this one, even for next year, until they break it. Okay, until we get to 22, and then 20 becomes this 17 level, and 20 becomes the base where we bounce off from and go higher. But until then, 20 is the price target on that. Make sure you guys are locking in profit along the way, because if you've been with me, we've had this since 8, and I know you guys have been crushing it. Okay, and then last but not least, SoFi wraps it up, guys. Ticker symbol SOFI. This too is up over 100% on the year. Around here, we like to buy this in a range of $6 to $8. We always get in at that level. Our stop loss is right under 6. We ride this up to 8, 10, and 12, okay, until this one breaks out. Right now it's sitting at 9. We got heavy resistance at 10, but don't worry, guys. We will continue to crush it with this play into next year, and we will be ready to make some money if this pulls back as well. So again, anything you see me in, guys, just know we're making money off of it in either direction. Okay, with that being said, guys, these are my top 8 stocks for 2024. Now, one thing that's coming up in my next video, okay, is the dividends, stocks, and ETFs that I pair with this. So these are the stocks, these are the things that's going to be your runners, okay? And then the other things we have going to be more your foundational pieces, all right? Again, you don't have to have it all, but have what you need to accomplish the goals you are trying to achieve, okay? With that being said, guys, check it out. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.